Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we'll show you exactly how to verify your Brainfuse Tutor account step by step, so you can start tutoring without any delays. Welcome to our channel. Brainfuse is a popular platform for tutors to connect with students. But before you can start tutoring, you need to verify your account. This process ensures that all tutors are qualified and helps maintain a safe environment for learners. Here's a professional and straightforward step-by-step guide on how to verify your Brainfuse Tutor account. First step, visit the Brainfuse website and log in with your tutor credentials. Make sure you have all your personal information handy, including your identification documents. Second step, navigate to the tutor dashboard. Once logged in, look for the account verification section, usually found under Profile Settings or Account Details. Third step, upload required documents. Brainfuse typically requires a government-issued ID proof of qualifications, such as a degree or teaching certificate, and sometimes even a professional photo. Follow the instructions carefully to upload clear and valid files. Fourth step, fill out the verification form. Complete all the required fields, providing accurate information. This may include your full name, address, contact details, and educational background. Accuracy here will speed up the verification process. Fifth step, submit your verification request. After uploading your documents and filling out the form, make sure to review everything before submission. Once you are sure all is correct, click the Submit button. Sixth step, wait for confirmation. Brainfuse will review your submitted information and documents. This process might take a few days. Usually, you'll receive a confirmation email or notification on your dashboard stating your verification status. Seventh step, troubleshooting. If your account is not verified within the expected time, check your email for any additional requests from Brainfuse. They might need extra documentation. Clarifications, respond promptly to avoid delays. In summary, account verification on Brainfuse is a critical step that validates your tutor profile and allows you to tutor students confidently. Follow these steps carefully, from logging in, document submission, to awaiting approval, to get your account verified seamlessly. Now you're ready to offer your expertise and help students excel. Remember to double-check all your information before submitting to avoid any setbacks. Thanks for watching and supporting our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more helpful tutorials and tips.